Noticed your Mazda's wheels looking smoky after a wash? You're not alone. Maybe they look blotchy, like uneven haze or patches. Or you washed them, and now there are new stains that won't budge. Quick checklist so you can spot it fast. Dark stains that showed up right after cleaning. Smoky discoloration across the spokes or rim. Spots or streaks that won't wash off no matter how much you scrub. And sometimes the wheel finish looks burned or etched. That's the look we're talking about. It often appears right after a wash or wheel clean. So what's actually happening? Let's keep it simple. The clear coat protects your wheel finish. Strong chemicals can get past it and mark what's underneath. This usually happens after a strong wheel cleaner, or after an automatic car wash that uses harsh chemistry. Heat makes it worse, hot wheels from driving, or wheels sitting in the sun. Letting the chemical dwell too long also raises the risk. Rinse thoroughly and don't wait. Paperwork context. This is not a safety recall, it's a Mazda manufacturer communication, SA02224A. NHTSA lists it as ID 11,03397. Translation, it's common enough that Mazda wants dealers and you to handle it the same way. Mazda points to strong wheel cleaners as the cause, specifically strong acids and strong alkalis. Those can penetrate the clear coat and leave that dark stain look in the finish. Again, heat makes chemical reactions happen faster. Sun can add to it too. And long dwell time? That's when it really bites. Best practice, rinse thoroughly within about 15 minutes. Note, damage from improper cleaning usually isn't covered under warranty. How do dealers handle it? It depends on severity. Light surface staining? They'll try a gentle clean first, mild soap, or a neutral pH detergent, on cool wheels only, with a soft cloth or soft brush. Then a thorough rinse. If the finish is etched under the clear coat, washing won't fix it. Next step is refinishing, sand and prep, repaint if needed, then re-clear. If damage is deep or color matching is tricky, they may suggest replacement. What owners report online? Polishing or compounding can sometimes help minor etched spots, but peeling or flaking clear coat needs refinishing. Cleaning won't save it. DIY is possible if you're patient. Sand smooth, clean thoroughly, mask carefully, primer, paint, and clear, light coats. Let each layer cure. Costs, real-world ranges you'll hear. Independent wheel repair or mobile refinishing, about $85 to $200 per wheel for cosmetic fixes. More complex refinishing or specialty finishes, commonly $150 to $300 per wheel. Powder coating, roughly $100 to $250 per wheel, depending on prep. Dealers are usually higher, sublet plus markup, and some may suggest replacement if a perfect match isn't likely. Prevention is simple. Only clean cool wheels. Use mild soap or a neutral pH cleaner. Work one wheel at a time and rinse thoroughly. If stains stick around, start gentle, then get a refinishing quote. Your wheels can look great again.